Last week, we took a look at my local riding destination, Rocky Ridge. This week, we are restoring old features, building new ones, and getting rid of some features. We started off by getting rid of the hole by filling it with dirt and bricks. And by removing the small jump above, we had left ourselves with a clean slate moving forward. Our second project of the day was restoring our berm, so we needed dirt. So we hooked up the trailer and left. When we got back, we fixed up the berm and it was running smoothly again. But before we could build our log roll, it was time to have some fun. Where, you might ask? Well, you'll just have to see. Now back to the log roll, which we built out of a fallen tree and firewood that we used. Our log roll felt sketchy, but that's how we like it around here. Now, let's see all of our work in this run. With that, today's journey is completed. Thanks for watching, and join me next week for the next video.